Hello and welcome to another episode. In this video, I will show you top 5 browser extensions that every developer should have under their arsenal. Alright, without any further ado, let's get right into it. First on the list is daily.dev. Now, if you've never heard about daily.dev, this is a must-have. It's a developer news aggregator that curates and delivers the latest news articles and tutorials on the world of web development, helping you stay up to date with industry trends and advancements. Now, this is very useful as a developer because um, you are enrolled to a lifelong learning purpose. Being a developer requires that you learn every day to become better, and Daily Dev does just that for you. All right. So go ahead, explore it, get installed, and start using it every day. This will change your default browser tab so that when you open a new tab, you can see and receive all the latest news directly in your browser. Second on the list is Weizer. Weizer is a technology identifier that detects and lists technologies, frameworks, libraries, etc. It detects those technologies used on the website, and it helps you understand how a website is built, which is very important because sometimes you see a beautiful design out there, see a template, you see a website, and you just want to figure out how the underlying technology that was used to build this. And basically you could see the frameworks, the libraries, sometimes you could pick one or two things from here. This helps me a lot. Sometimes you're curious as to how this website was built, what technologies were used, and how was it that this website could be this nice. So Weizer is a really must have. Then this one is the one a lot of people don't even know about. It's Graper. Consider Stack Overflow in browser extension. That's basically what Graper is. So basically, Graper is a code snippet search engine that helps you find solutions to coding problems by searching open source code repositories. So like I said, consider Stack Overflow in browser extension. So you search for something, and the good thing about Graper is once you have this extension installed and you have an account set up, you can actually add solutions to common problems that you encounter in your day-to-day. So if you are having problem with creating a reverse proxy, and then there is a particular code you like to use to configure your servers, or maybe a Docker configuration setup, Docker compose, whatever, maybe for your DevOps things and all that, you can just add that snippet to Graper, and then whenever you need it, anytime, you can always access it as long as you have a browser access. How cool is that? Anyway, it starts with that. And this one, before GitHub released some of the new updates that includes code editors in the browser, Octo 3 used to be, and still is, a very, very, very useful browser extension. So it's a GitHub code tree viewer. It basically lists your GitHub repositories in a tree view that you can browse and explore, in a tree-like structure, making it easy to navigate and move from one. It's kind of like a file system, in your browser. So the next thing is WhatFont. So WhatFont comes in very, 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 very useful, especially when you are most developers are not blessed with design sense. It's commonplace for most developers not to being able to build beautiful websites, and that's the problem. So that's why we outsource most of the things to the designers. But sometimes you see a beautiful font, you don't know what it is. You can just have this turned on, and then you can hover your mouse, and then it's basically just going to show you a model, and then basically you could read all the information, and that's it. So basically, WhatFont is a font identifier. That's what it does. It detects and identifies fonts used in web pages. It helps you find the same fonts, and you can use them in your own projects too. All right. So the next one is Zillow. Zillow is a color picker and analyzer. It allows you to extract colors from web pages, create color palettes, and convert colors between formats. What I usually do before this was I'd go in there and then use the color picker tool in the browser console, and then just fiddle around with some images and all of that. But this makes it even way easier. So a must have as well. At the same time, I mean, you cannot be a developer without having a JSON formatter in your browser. So a JSON formatter is top on the list as well. You need to have a JSON formatter. It helps you format JSON data beautifully and makes it easy to read and understand. And lastly, go full page. Go full page is a screenshot. So basically, it's kind of like grabs screenshot of your screen. So it's a screenshot tool that captures entire web pages and even those that scrolls beyond the viewports of any time and effort. So these are some of the most useful. I mean, there are more, but these are some of the most useful extensions that you can use in your day-to-day in your work, and it's going to make your work a lot more faster. This will expedite and streamline your processes in your workflow. And if there are more that you basically use or know about, please comment down below and let me see how that can actually be added to maybe future videos, or maybe someone else can find that information useful. And even personally, I can find it useful because I mean there are so many amazing extensions out there that I don't even know about. So you guys go to the Chrome store, explore, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe if you're new here, and turn on the notification bell so you get every single video that I make. I'll be releasing videos inconsequently in the coming days, and I have a lot more videos that I'm going to be releasing. And yeah, stay updated. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.